welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, we'll be looking at a way where we can better our audio in terms of the sound effects that we apply to our clip to get a perfect cinematic sound. There are some situations where we find ourselves where the clip that we have, the audio we want to use for the clip is too short for the clip, right? And you want a perfect sound to go in with the clip. Now, for instance, I have a good example here. I have a clip here, and this is a sound I have here. This music sound, it's not it couldn't cover up the clip. So I'm sure we'll find ourselves in this kind of situation a lot. So now next thing that will come to your mind is, why don't I just duplicate the clip by doing the alt, then we kind of bring it here. Then we can think of, let's just apply the dissolve, right? Defaults. Yeah, I'll feel like, okay, with this you can even still kind of stretch it if you want to stretch it. So let's say how it sounds. You can see that's kind of like that angle. It's odd, like the way the music change the tone, and so now the best tool that we have in Premiere Pro that can solve this is what we call remix tool. We're going to remix this sound. All right, so let's do that. So here I'm going to find the remix here. This tool here, we're going to say remix tool. So once I pick that, and here I just kind of drag the audio a little bit. Yeah, it does the analyze, and we have this flow. So if you play it now, you get to see like it just goes smoothly to the end. So you can decide to apply the kind of the default transition here to blend it. So the audio is actually going down, but based on the clip, and that's one of the options. But to make it the best thing that you can, to give it the best touch or the best ending part, if you come down to the remix that you've selected and you check your essential sound here, see the music, and here you can have it here. So here you can decide to the target duration. You can try and if you want to increase or reduce it. All right, so let's okay. I think that's the best duration that we can have here, and that is not all. You can try to you have some presets here that you can use. Remix 60, remix 30. How long do you want the sound to be remixed? So the tone just keep playing, and that ending part will just apply at the end of the sound. You can as well use a balanced background music that changes the effect, takes it back to the way it's the original audio itself. So they are kind of you can play around with this and twist it to get your own kind of tone that you want. But the point here is, with our remix tool, we can actually remix our audio sound or audio music to give it the perfect flow with the clip. And you can have many audios here. In my previous video, I did the audio nest. So somewhere around there, I'm going to tag the video for you to watch, and as well probably in my description I'm going to drop the video. Kindly watch that to get more knowledge on audio settings. All right, so if you find this video helpful, kindly like, and if you just come across my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe. Stay creative, and see you in the next.